Most vehicle owners have a working understanding of the level to which the car insurance coverage they own protect them and their automobile. However, it begs the question, where does this leave driver who don't own a car? Is there a particular policy for non-vehicle owners, or do they have a drive unprotected? Today's episode will explore the car insurance options available to frequent drivers who don't own a motor vehicle. Hi, my name is Stella. In this episode, we will be discussing the steps you can take to get financial security when you take an automobile out on the road as a non-vehicle owner. Driving is a big part of everyday life, and because of this, so is car insurance. Through our Insurance360 video series, you get to find out all you need to know to make your driving experience a pleasant one. Be among the first to see every video we upload by clicking the subscribe button and enable notification right now. Depending on the exact specification detail in the vehicle owner insurance policy, you may be eligible to get coverage, even if you get involved in an auto accident as a non-vehicle owner. However, if the accident was a terrible one and the vehicle insurance coverage doesn't cover the full extent of the damage caused, this can result in some high out-of-pocket costs for you. But what exactly are your options? Well, you could find out if you are eligible for what is called a non-owner car insurance policy. Basically, as the name already suggests, this is a car insurance policy extended to a driver who don't own a personal vehicle. This can be a really advantageous policy to have under your belt if you drive frequently. If you get involved in an accident, the non-owner car insurance policy offers you coverage for any resulting injury and damage to the third-party person or property. You need to keep in mind that this type of coverage is that it only operates as secondary coverage. The implication is that it's only kicked in when the existing coverage on the automobile isn't sufficient to cater to the accident medical and repair expenses. Another detail worth mentioning is that the non-owner car insurance policy won't pay out claims for the repair of the vehicle or your medical costs if the accident occurs due to your action. If you'll be driving a friend or family member's car around a lot, or you plan on renting a vehicle for a while, this insurance policy just might come in handy. The good news is that a lot of car insurance companies offer this amazing policy. What's more, you don't need much to get it set up. All you are required to have at hand when requesting a quote is some necessary personal information, your driver license details, your preferred method of payment details. For more assistance with this, simply follow the link provided down below. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on the notification to stay tuned for all upcoming episodes from this Insurance360 video series. Thanks for watching. We will be back with more.